Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into ARARACOIN, also known as ARARA, a cryptocurrency token. We'll explore what ARARACOIN is, its intended purpose and potential use cases, and briefly touch upon its possible benefits. But remember to always do your own research. ETs understand the ARARACOIN token itself, focusing on its tokenomics, including the total supply, circulating supply, and how the tokens are distributed, along with any burn mechanisms that may be in place. We'll also provide the smart contract address for ARARACOIN and examine its key features and functionalities. EXT will delve into the underlying technology, the Binance Smart Chain and blockchain. We'll cover why the Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, was chosen for ARARACOIN and the benefits it offers, such as lower fees and faster transactions. We'll also give a brief explanation of blockchain technology itself, highlighting its immutability and transparency, and how ARARACOIN utilizes blockchain technology. Now, let's discuss where you can buy ARARACOIN or ARARA. We'll focus on LBank Exchange and PancakeSwap. For LBank, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on buying ARARA, including creating an account, depositing funds like USDT or BNB, and trading ARARA. Then we will move to PancakeSwap. We'll explain how to connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, add the ARARACOIN token contract address to PancakeSwap, swap BNB for ARARA, and adjust your slippage tolerance settings. We'll also mention any future exchange listings or CX/DX partnerships that may be planned. ETs walk through a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to buy ARARACOIN. First, fund your wallet by buying BNB on Binance and transferring it to MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Next, connect to PancakeSwap by going to their website and connecting your wallet. Then, add the ARARA token by importing it using its contract address. After that, swap BNB for ARARA, selecting BNB as the token you're swapping from and ARARA as the token you're swapping to, ensuring you set slippage tolerance. Finally, review the transaction details and confirm the transaction in your wallet. To view your ARARA tokens, add the ARARACOIN token to your wallet to see your holdings. ETs understand Binance and the BSC ecosystem. We'll look at the role of Binance in the BSC ecosystem, how BNB fuels the Binance Smart Chain, and the relationship between Binance, BSC, and ARARACOIN. How we need to talk about managing risk and security. This includes wallet security and protecting your private keys, using hardware wallets, and avoiding phishing scams. We'll also explain what slippage is and how to manage it on PancakeSwap. Finally, we'll reiterate the importance of doing your own research, analyzing project fundamentals, and understanding the risks involved in cryptocurrency investments. In conclusion, let's recap ARARACOIN's potential, remind you to DIY before investing, encourage community engagement through platforms like Discord and Telegram, and suggest visiting the official ARARACOIN website for more information. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.